Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to go back to the last item you were working on when you have multiple items of the same type open. So like for example here, in Word I have documents 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let's say I'm working on document 2, and then I switch over to Excel here, and when I go back to Word I click on it, and I have to find the one I was working on, document 2, to go back to it again. And also in Excel, if I'm working on that and I have multiple documents open, or spreadsheets, I need to find the one I was looking at. So this little trick here will let you click right on your icon and take you back to your previously, or actually most recently opened item. And then when you need to find a different one, you could simply hover over it like usual to see all your choices. As you know, if you're using Windows 11, that you don't have the option to ungroup the items in the taskbar, so everything's grouped together like that. So hopefully it'll change that soon. Anyway, so we're going to do a little registry edit here to enable this little fix here, so you could click right on your icon down here in the taskbar and go back to your previous item. So to begin, we've got to open the Registry Editor, regedit. Okay, so we got a little cheat sheet here. So you want to navigate to this key here. So the easiest way is just to copy and paste it. I'll put it in the description. Press Enter. Okay, then you have a bunch of items here on the right. So what you want to do next, make a new DWORD 32-bit value and call it LastActiveClick, just like this, all together with capital letters. Enter, and then double click it to open it, change it from 0 to 1, and then OK. And then you could either restart the computer or you could restart Windows Explorer, which is the easiest way. So right click on your Start button here, go to Task Manager, scroll down, look for Windows Explorer. If you have Windows Explorer open, sometimes you'll see it at the top here, but I always like to close it and find the one down here because sometimes it doesn't work when you try and do that one. So right click it, restart, you'll see your icons disappear there. And now they're back. Okay, so now let's say we're on Edge here, and we go back to our Word. So document 1, so let's hover over it here. Let's say document 3 is our current document, and then for Excel, this milestone is our current document. So now we go back to Edge, go back to Task Manager or whatever. So now watch what happens when we click on Word. It takes us right to document 3, click on this, it takes us right to the milestone file here. But obviously we could still hover over it and pick a different one. And now this will be our last used file. So if we go here, go back here, it takes us to here. So it's pretty cool how you could actually, go back to your recent, document or spreadsheet or folder, whatever you have open, without having to hover over and wait and then pick the one. And then you still have the option to pick a different one if you want. Okay, so once again, I'll put all this in the description. And if you don't like it, you could go back to the Registry Editor and just find this LastActiveClick, delete it, and then you'll be back to normal. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.